All right, so we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna start the bike up, give you guys a sound of what the stock bike sounds like. Just get the mic, put it close. So that's honestly pretty damn close. I'll put the mic like right here.
Cold start. How many miles were it?
291.
291 on a brand new 24 ZX6R. It already wants to like pop.
Really?
Those little like pop. You could hear it. You could hear it wanting to pop a little
But it's like
bit.
this is stopping it, the cat's stopping it.
Yeah, you got the cat, the resonator, and the
resonator.
exhaust. So when we switch this out, dude, it's gonna be.
It's
gonna
better
sound,
shoot flames. Like
it will shoot
that's
flames
the goal.
for sure.
Yeah, all you gotta do is take this off first, and then there's like, is this how your bike is? So you literally like pull this little thing,
Okay.
and this pops up.
No, I have a lock on the outside of my bike.
That's what I'm saying. This lock opens this seat.
Really?
Yeah, isn't that weird?
Mine has bolts that I have to undo for the bottom seat, and then, but if I want to undo that, there's a little lock, and then I can just unlock it with my key, and it pops that back off.
Because does yours have storage?
Not really, just like this. Basically.
It's like this.
Yeah.
But this is the servo buddy.
Yeah. So my servo's like, I think my servo's like built almost. It's like wire driven into the down by the bike. It's up top.
Did you take yours off, or you left it in?
No, we just like I had the valve permanently opened and left the servo and all that stuff in there.
I'm gonna take it out.
Yeah, I mean,
Right?
lightweight.
Yeah.
Weight reduction.
Weight reduction. Because then it's like, where do you keep the wires? Or you just take the wires off?
Yeah. I mean, you can definitely. I mean, I don't know if you want to start with that or if you want to start on the exact.
Or I take this off. No.
Yeah, start with the slip on. So, what kind of covers you got?
The thing is, to take this off,
It's just got aluminum plates on it. Yeah, aluminum shield on it. It looks like just like, what is that, a 10 mil Allen wrench?
so let's see what.
It's probably gonna be around.
Wait, I have to take the heat shield off?
You probably can get away. Well, I think we have to take the heat shield off to get the clamp. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Do we? We might be able to get away with it. No, we can get to it without taking the heat shield off.
So leave it?
Yeah, just you gotta take off this. If we take off the bracket and then the clamp, it should slide right off. Then again, your servo is on the exhaust instead of by the headers. So
That's what I'm saying, right?
yeah, yours is way different. My servo is literally right off the headers, and yours is on the exhaust. So maybe we're probably gonna have to take the heat shield off. Because I can't see we won't be able to access the wires for the servo. It's just gonna be dangling. Put your bike on the stand. Forgot about that.
Oh, yeah.
That's why the fronts are good, dude. Literally,
What the hell?
it should be universal. What the hell? I didn't do
That would have been a fail.
that. Imagine, dude, right away. This way, so we don't really got to worry about the lean because it's leaning the opposite direction we're going to be working on, so it's not going to be that annoying, but
Alright.
is what it is.
Alright, then let's. So this off.
Yep. You got a work tray or something for the bolts? Or a little
No.
cardboard box.
Yeah. That's so weird.
Just a little clamp.
Right on. So realistically, I should just be able to loosen this.
Yeah, it looks like you can just take. Well, if you take this nut off, the wire should pop right off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it looks like that's holding it on. You might need to have to pull it forward. Like, see where these little spacers are, so you probably have to pull it this.
So I have to take the whole nut off.
You probably have to pull this like ahead of. Yeah, so it gives that gap. I'll just take the whole thing off. And it should give you the gap. There you go. Easy enough.
So it's literally just this thing pops off, and then we can take this stupid slip-on off after.
The clamp.
This thing's loose.
You see that nut in the back? That's so weird. I've never seen one look like that before.
Dude, that's weird. It's
like
like harder to get. And why is it facing? I guess I could loosen it from here too.
Yeah, you might not even have to put something on the back. You might just be able to break it off with the bottom one.
Yeah.
I've never seen a square nut look like that though.
Nope. What is this one? 3/8. It's probably 10. Hardest one to find.
Universal
Yeah.
10.
So
That's where your camera guy now, I guess.
next is literally this one. Is that it, or is there one in the back holding it?
Yeah.
Let's see if it's strong enough. Nope. Alright, I got this. Alright.
Of course.
Yeah. Once I take this off,
Yeah.
it should just pop off, no?
Yep.
Ooh, much better looking already. Damn. This thing is heavy too. It's probably like
How much do you think it weighs?
at least. Let's see. 15 pounds?
15, that much?
Yeah.
Your whole new exhaust probably weighs like
Less than that.
5
5 pounds. Yeah.
The whole thing. Alright, let's hear what it sounds like now.
Just turn it on.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's got a huge. Yeah, that exhaust goes all the way back. God damn.
Yeah.
That thing's.
It's because the new bikes are like made for so much emissions control.
Yeah, screw emissions. Yeah, even the new Power Commander. So when you get your bike tuned, you have to get like a Power Commander 5 or lower or 6 or lower, because
The new ones have to be.
Yeah, the new ones are like they worked with the EPA and they have to meet some standards. So it's like people only get the older Power.
You can only get it from eBay, like from people that used it.
They're not used, but you have to find one online. It's like I think it's a 5 and below the generation.
That's weird.
The tuners will tell you that you need that though. So
All right, so start that joint up.
you want me to hold the camera like over here?
Yeah. So no exhaust. That already sounds way better. It smells better too. Like free gas flowing.
Yeah, it's gonna be popping a little bit more than when you get it tuned, just because the bike's not used to it. But
Damn. This one. It's not a good sound.
2,000 years later.
Ooh. Well, there you have it. It's out.
That's for sure.
This thing is heavy too.
The thing's at least 5 pounds.
Yeah.
5 to 10. Dude.
This whole exhaust is probably 30
That's crazy.
pounds.
What's it look like in there? Just like honeycomb?
Honey. Damn.
That's crazy.
That's insane.
Look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
Look how different it looks too. Like
Yeah.
it looks stretched now because there's nothing there.
Yeah, it does. Bikes look so much better without that big ass cam in the back, dude.
Yeah.
Gonna have to find a way.
The thing is, no, it'll be easy because I have this one tool. It's like that ratchet that you just push the button and it twists.
Oh no way. I heard those don't work that well though.
It's pretty. Not if it's on there like tight. It doesn't work good. But if you just want to loosen it, it's pretty damn loose. It works
And
good.
everything's brand new, so usually header bolts are a bitch, but I have hope since they're like brand new that it's not gonna be that bad.
Yeah. Ooh, that's hot. Gotta let that boy cool off.
You just plug in.
1, 2. This bolt.
You gotta take out the whole black
This.
plastics?
Yeah. And then fish out the wires.
Damn.
So this. I don't know if there's one right here.
That's super restrictive. Imagine trying to breathe through that.
It's like a smoker.
Yeah.
Damn. This one.
Yeah. How?
Nice.
You have another one, right?
Yeah, they're in the box. Yeah, these are easy.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's easy
Let's see.
Ow.
Damn, I should've gone all this way. Yeah, even just without the mirrors looks better. Shit.
It'll look even better when you get the other ones on, because the other ones look like fins.
Yeah.
I like those fins.
Damn, dude, that thing is heavy.
You're gonna be like leaning into the bike on one side of the bike now.
Yeah.
Probably took up so much weight on the right side.
It's probably gonna feel more nimble, right?
Way more. You're just like leaning back and forth. I mean, it's not gonna be too different since it was so low center of gravity, but if it was a high center of gravity, then yeah.
So you can see that's the Graves titanium header. Just 8 bolts, 2 on each header, I guess you call it.
It wasn't that bad, honestly, because it goes from 2 to 1. It's not all 4 like the stock. It's not all 4 pipes. the fact that you can do 2 at a time made it a lot easier.
Yeah.
Honestly.
All the. It's so tight.
That's what she said.
Alright, so if you ever install a new exhaust, you always want to wipe it down with WD-40 or something, because you're putting it on with your dirty, like greasy hands, and that grease, once you start the bike, will imprint your fingerprints onto the exhaust. So always just wipe it down real quick. Nothing crazy.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Take 2. Actually, it's not WD-40. I was joking. Don't do WD-40 because that has oil. So you want to use brake cleaner. All right. So brake cleaner, take off all the oil from your exhaust because you don't want the fingerprints to stick on it. Don't be like me. Don't put no WD-40. All right. Other way. Figure out. Good.
Now you just dump your brake on.
Step 3.
Sniff the brake cleaner.
Sniff it and forget what your life is. Start hearing voices in your head. Huh? You like that shit?
Joey on the phone. Say what's up, Joey. Joey's here with us in spirit right now.
He didn't want to help. He's lazy. See, Sean helps me, but Joey,
He's too busy.
I've known him my whole life, and he doesn't want to help.
He's too
You
lazy
see?
at work right now.
Well, when I help him, I help him, and
Yeah,
then
that's right.
when it's my turn. All right. 3, 2.